Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll walk through how to upgrade the sources and install common packages within Kali Linux. Let's ensure that our IP version 6 settings is disabled on our network connection and we are using a trusted DNS provider. Simply click on the Kali icon like so on the top left hand corner, then select Settings Manager. Now click on Advanced Network Configurations. Select Wired Connection 1, select the gear icon, then select IP version 6. Change the method from automatic to disable like so. Then, on IP version 4 settings, let's add Google DNS servers, the primary and the secondary like so. Now click Save, Close, and let's close this option. Let's click on the Linux terminal. I'm going to adjust the settings so it will look a bit more visible. Let's test our DNS and internet connection. I'll ping Google, www.google.com-c, and I'll specify 4 counters. And here we can see we have end-to-end connectivity with Google, and our DNS server is working because it's able to resolve the host name to IP address. To change your password, use a passwd command like so. Enter your current password, and then enter your new password. Great. To update your sources, let's use the command sudo apt update. Hit enter, then enter your Kali Linux password like so, and now this will take a few moments to update. Now let's update the entire distribution, including all the software packages. Let's type sudo apt dist upgrade. Hit enter, and here you can see a full list of applications and software packages that will be upgraded and the changes that will be made. Gonna press Y for yes and hit enter to continue. This will take a few moments to complete based on your internet connection. The upgrade is completed. Next, let's take a look at installing and setting up something called Pimp My Kali. I'm going to open my web browser and we'll head over to the GitHub repository. Let's search for Pimp My Kali like so. And we're going to click on this link like so. And here we can see the official GitHub repository for Pimp My Kali. So what exactly do we do with this? Well, it's a popular tool, or it's a popular set of tools that allows penetration testers and ethical hackers to both fix and install very useful utilities that are commonly used in penetration testing. To get started with this, we can simply follow the installation instructions like this. So let's copy this here. I'll open my terminal. Gonna paste that in, hit enter. This will clone the repository offline. Next, let's change our directory to Pimp My Kali like so. Great. And last but not least, let's run sudo followed by pimpmykali.sh. If I could copy this correctly. Great. There's a lot of options here, but the main option, because it's a new virtual machine setup, we shall go with the N option. Gonna press capital N like so, and Y for yes. And this will take a few moments to complete. Great. So Pimp My Kali has finished doing all of its thing. So now we need to reboot to ensure the changes take effect. I'm going to close our web browser and I'm going to reboot Kali Linux. Now that Kali Linux has been rebooted, you're all set. I hope this video has been informative for you and thank you for viewing.